Today I'm going to teach you how to pin blocks on Squarespace. This feature is incredibly useful when you want certain elements like navigation bars, call to action buttons, or contact forms to stay visible as visitors scroll through your page, ensuring they never miss important content or actions you want them to take. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to squarespace.com and log into your account. Make sure you have your login credentials ready, as this will grant you access to all your website management tools and settings. Once you're logged in and viewing your dashboard, you'll see all the websites associated with your account. Simply click on the website where you want to pin blocks. This step is important if you manage multiple sites, as it ensures you're making changes to the correct one. After selecting your site, look over to the left side menu and click on Website. This will open up your site's main settings and editing options. From there, you'll see an Edit button. Go ahead and click it. This action takes you into the visual editor where you can start making changes to your page layout and individual blocks. You might need to wait a moment for the editor to fully load, especially if your site has a lot of content or custom features. Now that you're in the editing interface, locate the block you want to pin. This could be any block on your page, whether it's an image, text, button, or form. Once you've found it, click on that block to select it. When you do this, a toolbar will appear with various editing options specific to that block. Next, find the pin icon near the duplicate icon in the toolbar and click it. The pin icon typically looks like a small push pin or tack symbol, making it easy to identify among the other editing tools. Clicking this icon activates the pinning feature for your selected block. Now you'll be presented with several options for how you want to pin your block. You can choose to pin it to the top of the page, to the center, or to the bottom. Each option serves different purposes depending on your design goals. Pinning to the top works great for headers or navigation. Pinning to the center keeps elements visible in the middle of the viewport, and pinning to the bottom is perfect for footer elements or persistent call to action buttons that you want visitors to always see. Once you've made your selection and you're happy with how the pin block looks and functions, click Save. This finalizes your changes and ensures that the block will remain pinned as visitors scroll through your page. And there you have it, you've successfully pinned a block on your Squarespace website, making your most important content always visible to your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.